Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable alert notifications for direct messages on the X app using your phone's settings. This updated method ensures you'll never miss a DM alert again. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your device. Find and tap on the X app from the list. This will open the app's specific settings. Now tap on Notifications. This is the area where you can manage all notification preferences for X. Under Notifications, look for notification categories or something similar depending on your device, and tap on it. Here you'll see different notification types that the X app can send. Find and select the category labeled Sending DM Messages. This controls alerts related to your direct messages. Finally, select the Alert option. Choosing Alert usually means you'll get a sound, vibration, and a pop-up notification for your DMs, so you won't miss any incoming messages. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alerts for DM notifications on the X app using your phone's settings. From now on, whenever someone sends you a direct message, you'll be promptly notified. If you want to customize further, explore other notification categories for the X app in the same menu, like mentions or replies. Thanks for watching. Thanks for